Hokuto Shinken! Wow, we got the Master of Nanto from the Stars of the Bloody Cross, Shin! This guy's the first bad guy of Hokuto Shinken. Look at that. And this is from Revoltech. Woo! Man, oh man, this is Shin from Revoltech. So Kayado actually puts this poster here showing the 25th anniversary for Hokuto Shinken, or the Fist of the North Star. Now let's open him up. So there's two ways to open him, from the top or from the bottom. Let's do from the top. Okay. There you go. Bringing him out. Here you go, that's Shin. So at the bottom, you got this. This thing is actually the placeholder for Shin. So you can actually put it here to assemble it, and then it locks in. Simple. Boom. It looks like this from the top. Okay, let's open him up. Okay, I can't actually remember where this sickle comes from, but he has a sickle and he has an axe. Both weapons are maybe from the king or from the heart of Hokuto Shinken, from his group. So you have to remember, Shin actually is the leader of a certain gang there. So this is how Shin looks like. Beautiful, huh? Look at the blonde hair, and even the hair can move. Look at that, that's amazing there. And the fist that he has here, you know, you have to understand, Shin is very different from the Hokuto guys, because all of his is actually from cutting from the outside. He's the guy that gave my man Kenshiro those scars that he has. That's why it's called the Fist of the North Star. The North Star was in his chest. In the end, he's going to give Shin the stars of the Bloody Cross. Let's go and close up on his face. Look at the face. Oh, wow. Very accurate on his face right there. You can see how he looks like. Same as there. So Revoltech actually has a lot of movements. You can move the abdomen. You can move the legs, everything. And they're always snappy. And look at the face, the hair, everything. Aside from that, he has an alternate head. I don't think this belongs to him. Must be from another character right there. And its head is exploded already, because the Hokuto Shinken style is for explosion.